I want to show you how quick and easy it is to collapse this rod down from its full performance length, in this case 7 feet on this casting model, all the way down to its travel size, which is very, very short, easy, convenient. You can put it in a backpack, you can put it in luggage, just about any place to travel with very easily. So I'm just going to take my bait off of the hook keeper and just let that hang. And I'm going to collapse this by making a little twist with my wrist and collapse the first section. We're always going to start in reducing the length at the butt section, collapse the next section, and the next one, and the next one, just like that. And we're going to keep working that all the way up to the tip section. And finally, just like that. And all we're going to do is we're going to reel up that extra slack, take my hook, put it back in the hook keeper, and just like that, this rod is now ready to travel with. You can put it, again, in luggage, backpack, wherever you want to go. You might not be able to put it on the airplane with that hook in place right there, but you never take the line out of the guides. It saves you all that time from restringing the guides with your line, and you're ready to go. Now, when you're ready to extend this back out to its full performance length, we're going to do just the opposite. Now we're going to start from the tip section and extend out each section till we get down to the end. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to let out some line, just like this, and I'm going to set the rod down, just like that. And I'm going to start right here at this tip section. I'm going to pull it up and snug fit these guides. And what you're going to notice is that there are some floating guides. And that's how we're able to use the right number of guides without using too many sections or not enough sections. So I just keep sliding these guides into their snug fit position, just like that. And there is an alignment aid on the blank also to help you do that if you need. But it's very easy if you just slide them through your fingers, kind of watch what you're doing. They slide right into place, and you do that all the way down to the very last section, just like that. You're ready to go in just seconds, and now it's going to cast exactly like a normal 1 or 2 piece performance rod. It's very convenient, very easy. You know, there's 14 different models in the Blackhawk 2 telescopic or soloscopic rod design, both spinning and casting models. There's a rod here for just about any kind of fishing in both freshwater and even some inshore saltwater light applications. This happens to be the casting model that I have paired up with the Bassinator Elite Reel, which I absolutely love. And then I have here a spinning version as well. This one I have paired up with the Speed Demon spinning reel. So whether you're looking for a spinning model, a casting model, freshwater, light inshore fishing, there is definitely a Blackhawk 2 just for you that you can go out and have a lot of fun. And without all that hassle of carrying 1 piece or even 2 piece rods, you can have a soloscopic design rod that packs down very small and fishes just like your high performance 1 and 2 piece rods. So I'm Al Norger for KastKing. I really encourage you to take a look at the Blackhawk 2. I think you're going to find a lot of advantages in this rod, and you're going to have a lot of fun just like I am right now. And I'll see you on the water. Let's go fishing.
ever thought to yourself, maybe you should quit tearing up the grass so much? Or did you ever think you should be a little more gentle with your stuff? Maybe get one of those fancy fishing shirts with a collar. Or you could buy a real slick bass boat with all that sparkly paint like the pros have. Or what about only fish for trout? Forget bass even exist. Did you ever think about that? Maybe you could get one of those electric chainsaws because they're quieter. You could go buy one of those fancy fire pits instead of the old barrel. You ever thought about eating more vegetables? Maybe eating a little less meat? Yeah, that's what I thought. Neither have we. Ugly Stik. Sensitive, so you don't have to be.